only have like this kind. Not
Only
that
this?
Kind, not this kind. This kind.
Okay. So you use this to make cotoletta alla palermitana. The fried fried eggplant with breadcrumbs
yes.
on the top and the bottom.
Yes.
So
Jerry, good morning. Say hello to our friends.
Good morning. I made it. I made it. It's a miracle. I made it.
good morning, dear Sicily Lovers.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. Rosella and Gianca taking very good care of me for 2 days now. Very good. Now we're getting ready to do a market, and because it's Sunday and it's the best time, they say, to explore. So here we are.
Let's discover Capo Market. This is the entrance of the market. It's named Carini Gate, one of the ancient gates of the old town. And let's discover the market.
It's full of fresh vegetables, of course, and you can find a lot of figs. I know that in our beautiful family,
I know my.
yeah, there are a lot of figs addicted, and so you will enjoy. Yeah, you have the black one and the white one. I can hear some music also.
Oh, prickly pear.
Yeah, it's
Beautiful.
full of joyful colors.
They don't have this every day, only Sunday? Or
No, every day. But
Okay.
in particular, Sunday is
Is the
very
best active.
yes, because in Sicily we used to have the big lunch during the
Yes.
Sunday, and so in the morning all the women
Do they still do that?
come to the
They don't do the anymore, like this siesta, like you go
after lunch. After lunch, before the big lunch of the Sunday with the family. And it's also a good place to buy fresh fish. There are a lot of fishermen. Ciao Giuseppe, buongiorno.
Giuseppe, buongiorno. Come va? Tutto a posto. So, I was talking with Giuseppe, the owner of this store, fish store. We have the swordfish, o pesce spada. Did you see the swordfish?
Look how pointy. It's like so dangerous. I could just buy that and keep it in my house.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Did you see my last broadcast when I cooked the swordfish with my mom?
No, I miss it because I have been so busy getting myself ready that in the morning I've been skipping my routine. I usually watch the YouTube and all.
Oh, look at the band.
Avete finito già di suonare?
Oh, what a pity. We missed them playing. Buongiorno cari.
Buongiorno. Facciamo una bella
Buongiorno,
inquadratura
sì,
qui.
loro se lo meritano. So guys, if you come to Capo Market,
A lei.
alla signora,
dov'è?
là.
For you.
Thank you so much.
Come arancina come? So, arancina with cheese.
So if you come to Capo Market, if you come to Palermo, don't miss the chance to meet these guys because they have the special Palermitan street food.
You can
Ma lo
see.
ricordate il vostro nome? No, il vostro nome è proprio vostro. Tu come ti chiami? Tu? Ah, Ido si chiama Sitta e Mangia. His name is Sitta e Mangia.
So, Gianca, come closer with me.
Aspetta, let me show.
Start from.
So we have eggplants rolls. We have arancini, of course.
Eggplant parmigiana style.
Parmigiana style.
The eggplant rolls.
Oh, sardines. They are, how do you say, the fried small sardines.
Yeah. Balls.
Sono col pesce queste,
Maybe.
sicuramente. Queste sono col pesce o con la melanzana? So they are eggplants bowls. Queste sono fiori di zucca. Pollo. This is chicken.
Also peppers, zucchini. Oh, and here is the corner of meat. So if you are lazy and if you don't want to cook,
No cooking.
no, you can take the.
I'm so tired of it.
Questo è maiale. This is pork. Salsiccia, sausage, involtini, Palermitan involtini, Palermitan rolls. Oh, this is special. This is the sfincione, the Palermitan pizza, the sponge pizza.
I like that. I'm gonna have that soon.
So you can have an idea now. You can
My
try.
grandmother used to make that one.
You can try everything. One thing per day.
Yes, I am. Believe me. I'm so glad I have enough time. I'm glad.
Ciao,
I won't
grazie.
even be able to fit on the plane.
Fai un saluto ai nostri amici nel mondo.
This is
Un bacio, la sitta in mano.
Sit and mangia. Sit and eat.
ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Buongiorno.
Oh, we have the fish, the octopus, the squids. Sorry for the reflection. We have the seafood salad. Another beautiful caponata, arancini, chickpea fritters, potatoes. Again, sfincione, the Palermitan sponge pizza. Un saluto, ciao!
And look at this, Gianca, full of pomegranates and oranges.
Wow! Pomegranates, they are fruit grapes. Arance, oranges. Arance.
And you can have, of course, a fresh juice. Ciao, buongiorno.
Buongiorno. And if you look at the prices in Palermo, you can have the special food and the special drinks without spending a lot of money.
Yeah. No, thank
No,
you.
thank you, Jerry. Rosella, please say something about the special ranking about the Palermitan street food.
We are 5, if I'm not wrong, in the world.
Fifth.
Fifth.
Ranked fifth
Sorry.
in the world special rank dedicated to the street food.
Yes,
So after Bangkok,
Yeah.
after Singapore, you can find Palermo.
yeah!
This is not a legend, this is true. In Palermo you can eat and drink all year round, 24 hours per day. If you are hungry during the
night.
night, early morning.
It's okay.
And I love the market because it's full of joyful colors, like my beautiful coffa.
Rosella is wearing something special. And we have to thank Danielle, of course, for this.
The queen of crochet. So
let
we have
me...
the...
Vai, mettiti al sole perché sei all'ombra.
Ciao!
Ciao, grazie.
Ciao.
Again, prickly pears.
Prickly pears, vegetables, olives.
Oh, this is the corner of the Sicilian olives. So we have black and green olives, spices, capers, cherry tomato, dry cherry tomato. We have pistachio, we have almonds.
I have to buy some food for the house. So I should be buying some.
Ma vediamo se la chiesa è aperta. Oh, this is special. Fresh oregano.
We use oregano everywhere.
I don't cook with oregano.
No?
My nonna never. She don't cook with.
I put oregano everywhere. Jerry, I put oregano everywhere. I'm oregano addicted. So we have a church
Oh,
into the market. This is one of the most churches, but my special church is the Immacolata Concezione church. It's over there, right in the middle of the market. There is a beautiful church. I hope it's open now. Proviamo. Let's try.
that's right. Just there.
Yeah, when you see the strelitzia plant. We have the traditional Sicilian bread.
Yeah. Forno a legna.
Again, another store dedicated to spices. Oh, you can find everywhere. Oh, let's try.
Yeah.
But
Maybe-
we have to be
Inside.
silent,
Yeah.
like a secret agent, like James Bond. Please, Rosella,
Yes.
don't speak at all
No,
because
no.
last time they said, no, you can do it. It's not possible. You're not allowed to make any live broadcast. This is a church.
So maybe it's better that you enter
inside.
only with Jerry. So I say here.
Aspetta.
Mettiti-
Guys, this is a secret mission. I'm trying to enter one of the most beautiful churches in Palermo, right in the middle of the market, and I don't have to speak at all now. I try.
Ti devi mettere questa, se no ti bloccano.
والله كيف فني ولا ما بنسى في بوليات وجهة نظري
Can you believe this? What's wrong with me?
I know.
There's something wrong with my brackets. Check it out. I don't even know where to look first. Everything's from the floor to the ceiling. From the floor to the ceiling. They have beautiful.
It's full of marble. They are not paintings. It's marble, just like a mosaic, everywhere.
This is unbelievable. I've been to a lot of churches. This is beautiful.
So it looks like a painting, but it's a mosaic of marble everywhere. Everywhere. Just like a puzzle. That's not a painting. That's not a painting. That's marble. I try to go closer. They are all different pieces of marble.
Ask for feedback.
Guys, what do you think? We are right in the heart of the outdoor market in Palermo, in Capo market, and this is a special treasure. This is a masterpiece. Nobody knows it. Also, the majority of people from Palermo don't expect to find this beautiful church.
Right in the market, in the outdoor market.
And I hope you understood, you realized that everything was not painted inside. It was a sort of mosaic with different slices, different pieces of marble. So it's an incredible work, a masterpiece. If you come to Palermo, go straight to the Capo market. In the middle of the market, you can find the church of Immacolata Concezione.
This is the name. And Jerry would like to say something.
This church, I've been to a lot of churches because I've been to Italy a few times. This church inside, I've never seen a church like this before. They the whole thing from the floor to the ceiling is marble, carved angels, statues. It's unbelievable. And on the ceiling, they have carved angels, like not paintings of angels, carved angels into the ceiling with marble. I just can't believe it. I'm amazed.
Jerry, believe in me, this is nothing compared to the Church of Santa Caterina or Casa Professa, the Church of Jesus, but in particular Santa Caterina, that as another feature, you can find the cannoli there. So there are beautiful, beautiful artworks inside the church.
If we had to make a contest, we wouldn't know who would win, right? And what church is the most beautiful?
Yeah.
So in another venture, in another I just say day, we will discover the Church of Santa Caterina, and we have a tasty stop with the cannoli experience. Okay, we can come back to the car. We can walk him back to the car.
Okay.
Rosella, now it's your time.
Yes. So I have my beautiful...
Il microfono.
Sorry, I have too many things. So, thank you, Jerry. So, I have my beautiful handmade crochet coffee bag.
What do you think, Jerry? Is it a masterpiece?
Yes, because it's hard to see on the camera how beautiful.
Details, in particular, details. So look at the crochet lemons. This is a miniature of coffee bag, the traditional Sicilian bag, and Rosella, of course, wears also the earrings.
But everything looks much more beautiful in person. It looks beautiful on the camera, but in person, it's unbelievable.
So show me the inside part.
It's full of items, of course, but I have my pochette.
This is included.
Yes, of course.
The fabric is beautiful.
The pocket bag. The inside is made by the traditional Sicilian pattern.
We have a matching pocket attached.
Rosella.
This is an attached purse that's already attached there.
Yeah.
So you have that compartment. So it's very beautiful. You would love it.
And what about Gianca also? Also Gianca is wearing something really beautiful. Yeah, the cupola crochet. So,
I'm so fashion. Non ti avvicinare troppo.
sei lontano, Gianca.
Guys, sorry for the noise. This is Palermo. Palermitan people never sleep. They are always with their motorbike, with their noisy motorbike. But this is another gift from Daniela. Daniela, the Queen of Crochet, made this special cupola for us. Not only for me, for the entire family of the Sicily Lovers. Because, guys, you have two choices. You can find in our online store the traditional one, made with cotton, with wool, with linen, but this is different. This is a crochet work You can see the pattern, you can see the special design. She used a multicolor yarn, and of course it is entirely handmade by Daniela.
Entirely handmade in Sicily with love.
Let me show the cupola. Yeah.
Would like to remind the website, Gianca?
This is very light. This is the summer version of the cupola.
With
So,
organic cotton.
Organic cotton and
And that's important.
yeah, it's
it- a
not
lot of it
you
is-
say
a lot
not
of it's
not
nylon,
harmful for
not-
your body, for your skin,
Yes.
and it's very soft to wear.
Normally they're made of nylon, polyester. This one's
beautiful.
cotton. More comfortable. And
Don't forget the name
Natural.
of the website, Gianca.
The name is very easy. Remember our beautiful community, Sicily Lover. So, SicilyLover.com. Very. Don't get me wrong. Don't confuse with Sicily Lovers. That's another thing. It's a sort of organic farm. They produce organic food. We are Sicily Lover. Okay, singular, not plural.
SicilyLover.com
.com.
and be ready to discover the 100% handmade online store, the biggest and the first.
Let me say again, we don't need to do it, but 795 items are included in this store, and so they wait for you. And don't forget to visit our pages, in particular the competitor page of Facebook. I can say the name because Mr. Zuckerberg does not agree to reveal his competitor, you know. It's a sort of challenge, it's a sort of competition. If I say the W name channel, they arrest the live broadcast, and they don't promote the live broadcast. And so, you understand what I mean? You know, the W, I don't.
But of course,
shut up.
Gianca, they
No,
found...
listen to me. If you go in that channel, you can see in our channel. It's the same name, Best Thing to Do in
no,
Sicily.
it's not W, it's Y.
It's a Y, yeah.
You said W.
No, you.
You said W.
I said W. No, Y.
Yes.
Y, O, U, and
Yes.
something more.
Yes.
If I say the entire name,
Yeah.
Mr. Zuckerberg, kill me.
Because you said W, they don't know.
No, I
W.
know, not W, Y, sorry. If you
Thank
go
you,
there,
Jerry.
if you go there, you can see, this is important, very important for us, you can see the entire collection, the entire playlist dedicated to our artisans. Because they deserve to be popular, they deserve, because they made a wonderful work, and so you can see all the videos dedicated to the artisans, their story in particular. They have beautiful story to tell you, to share with you. So this is the help we ask you. If you want us to grow, you can see the videos, and so you can subscribe, you can thumb it up, you can promote our activity. Also, of course, if you type on Google SicilyLover.com, that's another chance for us to grow.
And share with the world, please. So, Gianca, now it's time to say bye-bye to our friends.
Yeah?
And we will continue our walking tour.
Yeah.
Perché poi te lo taglia, Gianca, lo sai.
Sherry is in the shadow. Sherry,
Jerry.
in the shade. Jerry, where about the Palermo temperature?
Well,
Do you feel comfortable?
It's like winter compared to Miami, where I'm from. No, it's warm. The difference is, if you're in the shade, it's comfortable. You can tolerate it if you're having a Coke or coffee, and the shade is tolerable. And in Florida, in the summer, it's not tolerable even in the shade.
Even
so that's the
if it's
difference.
August, and it's
Yes.
the hottest month in Sicily.
Yes. So I'm in the shade as much as I can.
Oh, the sun disappeared. Just for
Okay,
you.
We're safe.
Just for you
Just
to
for
say
you.
bye-bye to the world. It's which, Gianca?
Okay, let me enter the frame. So let's say
This
hello to our friends. So from Capo Market, one of the best outdoor markets in Palermo. It's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following us. We are very, very happy to have Jerry with us in these beautiful days because she's one of, I have to remember again, she is one of the, I can say, oldest original follower.
Yeah.
She's been following us since
August
August
2017.
2017. So more than 4 years.
I finally made it to see my friends.
And it's so touching. We are thrilled to have met Jerry in person. And so thank you again for being here in Sicily.
And thank you for being so beautiful hosts. Wonderful.
Thank you, guys.
We'll be alive in the next days from different locations, and so with Jerry too, of course. Perhaps we have to go to Burgio altogether, to her ancestral town.
Yes, because we forgot to say that Jerry is from Sicily. Sicilian blood.
She has a Sicilian blood. She has a Sicilian DNA. That's why it's so beautiful.
Yeah,
Thank
beautiful.
you.
And in person is even more beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
A
Thank
beautiful
you,
woman.
Rosella.
And I am.
And I have to tell you, when I saw Rosella at the airport, her face is so beautiful. The same thing. When you see her in person, her face is beautiful, and Gianca, very handsome.
I am the luckiest man in the world now, between two beautiful girls, and so I can ask something more. I can ask more.
Guys, we love you.
Ciao.
Ciao.
That's all from
Ciao.
Palermo, from the capital of Sicily. We love you.
Love you.
And don't forget to visit SicilyLover.com.
Enjoy your shopping. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Happy Sunday. Ciao.
Ciao.